The case brought to you today is Bubble Tea Shop, which is also a case of store design combined with the store logo. The logo is designed with white, light green and light brown bears, which are all cute, relaxed and young, and we set the general style of the store based on this information. There is a cute bear logo outside the store, and the overall color inside the store is a light color tone, and we chose a combination of light green and white to enrich the details of the interior design. For example, the white chair is matched with a light green desktop, and the wall does not use a large area of white, but uses the white part to highlight the logo to deepen the impression, make a layer of light green underneath, increase the level of the store, and make some cute bubbles in the shape of a bear on the wall. In this way, the whole will not look very monotonous. The ground is made of warm grey wood grain floor, so that the overall light design can have dark colors to match without being too impetuous, and this warm grey also echoes the bear in the logo. If you are interested in our videos, welcome to subscribe to our channel. We will bring more design display and sharing.